If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To get help and access, click the Help tab in the ribbon. Then click the Help button in the Help button group to open the Help pane at the right side of the window. To search the help files for a topic, type your search term or terms into the long white field in the toolbar at the top of this pane. Then either click the Search button that appears at the left end of this field or press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the term or terms you typed within its online help files. Any matching help topics appear in the Results for Search Term list below the search field as a listing of hyperlinks and brief content descriptions. To view a result in the Help pane, click the name of a help topic in the results list. To return to the main listing of help topics after clicking a help topic result, click the Back button in the toolbar at the top of the pane to return to the results list. You can then continue reading other topics, perform another search, or simply close the pane if you are finished. To close the Help pane in Access when you are finished using it, click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.